If your system cycles super fast after changing the air filter, you gotta know what's really going on to fix it quick. Okay, so here's the deal. First, double check that you grab the right filter size. Like, if it's too small or big, your system won't breathe right. Next, make sure the filter is installed the right way, with the airflow arrows pointing the way your system pulls air. If you jam it in backwards, your system freaks out and cycles nonstop. Also, dirty air ducts or vents can mess up airflow, so give those a quick look if you've got the tools. Keep your thermostat settings steady too, because flipping between heat and cool can make the system cycle more than usual. If you've got a programmable thermostat, sometimes resetting or updating it helps smooth things out. Another tip is to check the blower motor and fan. If they're clogged or slowing down, it puts extra strain on the system. Lastly, don't ignore regular maintenance. Even if you just change the filter, grime and dust buildup elsewhere can cause problems. One of the biggest issues people run into is using the wrong filter size or type, which chokes airflow and makes your system work way harder than it should. Always match the manufacturer's specs. Another common mistake is installing the filter backwards. Those little arrows on the side are not just decoration, seriously follow them to avoid cycling problems. Lastly, neglecting to clean your ducts or vents leads to blocked airflow, which causes short cycling and spikes your energy bills. Grab a vacuum or call a pro to keep those clear. BigHomeProjects.com is like your go-to buddy for finding trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. If you're a contractor, it's also a sweet place to connect with homeowners looking for reliable help and real projects to grow your business.